How many damn bearings it's got in its bike? Look at them. Maybe it's the wrong one actually. I guess I gotta take the other side off. But yeah, they're all in there. Just chilling. I don't know why I was loose. So loose, the balls start falling out. Look at it. How mangled that thing is. Wow. That's fun. Oh. Wow. On both sides too. Holy golden blue boys. These are supposed to be tight ones. Tight clearances. The thing that's sweet about these though is you already got your your e-bike pedals kit. You put that tube in there, these guys back in, and you put a freaking bolt through there, they'll fit. Or you just freaking, well, get another bolt. People put pegs on there. They'll screw pegs into the end of this, like a bolt. I'll put pegs on there. That's pretty cool, I guess. I would probably just stick the peg right in there. Like that. Bam. Little numbers. I don't know. I'll just put my chicken feet on there because I got that. That's Genesis, baby. I'm gonna strip it down. We're gonna make it aluminum, or can we make that teal color? Or armor. Because I already got armor. We'll see. I'm not sure though. I just wanted to first suspension.